Hi kittens, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a haul from Didi's Discount and I'd like to show you just a few things that I got from Ulta. So let's go ahead and get started, and happy Valentine's Day. Hopefully everybody had a great Valentine's Day. I'm really sorry that I couldn't get this video to you before Valentine's. A lot of these videos are coming out after Valentine's, which really sucks because I really had some cute things to show you guys. But hey, we still love pink, right? At the end of the day, we still love all things pretty. So the first thing I want to show you guys, this was like a $10 bag, if I'm not mistaken. This was like, yeah, I want to say this is like 10 bucks. But this was just sitting over there. It was cheap as hell. And I was like, well, why don't I just get this? I think it was less than 10, but whatever. It was cheap. And it was just sitting there cute looking at me like, girl, you know you want it. But I love the Valentine's vibe. But my thing with Valentine's is more to promote self-love, because the greatest love of all is self-love. And if you don't love yourself, how do you expect someone else to? Okay. And I'm not trying to preach, but that's really just how I feel. So anywho, it comes with a little pouch attached to it. And this is where I keep my perfume. This is the Viva La Juicy Petals Please perfume, and it smells really good. It's a nice spring. It's a nice spring fragrance. It's kind of sweet. It's really, oh, I love it. Anyways, and then I keep some breath freshener. I get this from Ross. I get these from Ross, and it's Crest Scope. Twist it open and you spray it. There we go. Anyways, I keep this in my bag, okay, this little pouch. And normally I'll keep like a tampon or something in there. But anyways, this is what it looks like on the inside. Just Betty Boop. And this is my work bag. So this is my new work bag. I found two sets of the 84-inch length curtains, 4 drapery panels, and 2 tie backs. Okay. And it's pink. It's pretty. Look at those. Those are pretty. So I can't wait to put this up in my living room. But I wanted to show you guys before I did that. And this was $12.99. Both of them were $12.99. But look at that. That's really pretty. The gray ones are going to hang down, and you're going to tie back the pink ones. So pretty. 84 inches. I don't know if that's long enough, because I typically prefer the curtains to go from the ceiling to the floors. So 84 bras that are actually too big from Juicy Couture, and these are too big. These are 38D, and I'm in a 34, and it's real big. This is originally $9.99, but it was dirty AF. Looked like someone drug it through the store. So they gave me a small discount, which only took like a couple dollars off of it. And then I can't return it, which is fine. But I thought this is a beautiful quilt. Look at this quilt, y'all. Look at that. This one is $9.99 as well. Bruh. Okay, there it goes. It's $9.99 as well. It's just light pink. This one doesn't have anything going on with it, as you can see in the picture. It's just plain, but it's pretty. And it's very fitting for my aesthetic. Okay. And these are queen size. This is a 2-set. It was for $8.99. Paris with the pink. Is that pink? Yeah. Paris with the pink on it. It says Paris. The Eiffel Tower is brown in the back. Gorgeous. I love the brown. It's beautiful. The lips, you know, the heart, the lips. Let's see. There you go. The heart. And here are the bottoms with the brown kisses. Isn't that pretty? Chocolate kisses. Oh, they're so stinking cute. I just noticed that. These are cute. But these are not pants. These are like the capri. Then I got this pet groomer hair clipper set for my dog. It's rechargeable, and I found it for $6.99. It was reduced. I don't know why it was reduced, but hopefully it works. Anyway, $6.99. Got some more Puma socks that I happen to see there. These are marked down for $5.49. I don't know why, but this is 6 pairs of low cut cushion Puma socks. And these are similar to the ones that I typically wear, so I got these. And they're just black and gray. And then I got some earrings. These here. Oh, do I have it the wrong way? These here. Gold with the rhinestones. And these all came together, except one of these are missing. And this was for $3.99. And this is reduced. That might have been why. And then these are nice and big. Cute though. Really cute. I don't know if you guys can see this. But anyway, they're really cute. This one has the rhinestones and stuff. But these are for $3.49. So this is a lint roller, right? These are for $2.99. And it came 3 in the pack. 3 in the pack. This is the marble. There it goes. It's marbled. But of course you take this off. It's just white. And it's just a lint roller. And me and the boys, we always use a lint roller before we go somewhere. But also I have this little steering wheel cover. And I'm noticing that some of that fuzz gets on me too. So I have to constantly use this. In fact, I've already stuck one in my gym bag. In my work bag. And 2 in my car. Because listen, here I have for $2.99 from DD's. It's these poop bags. But they're the cutest little poop bags. Aren't they cute? Molly likes cute stuff. This is so stinky. This is 160 bags for $2.99. So I typically go to DD's to get my dog stuff, like anything for her, because they typically have it marked down, and then from there I go on to Ross. Okay, and that's just how I like to do things. We keep it simple around here, and we keep it on the budget. Okay, and if y'all can't see, my bed is all pink again for Valentine's Day, or for Valentine's for the month of February. Let's just do it like that. But it's really pretty, and those sheets, the kind of stripy ones, I actually got that for Christmas, honestly. It was supposed to be Christmas, but I really don't see how it correlates to Christmas. But hey, it was cute either way. It would have been cute then. Another thing I got was this waterless no rinse shampoo for my dog. And it's from the brand Wall. And it's the coconut lime fragrance. Okay, so you just put some on your hand and then rub it into their fur and then brush your own out. And this was for $3.99, and it's a little pump cap. Okay, so from Ulta, I got this Morphe continuous, the jumbo continuous setting spray. I got this, and I actually like it. This is actually my first time owning this one. I used to buy the one that they would bring out around Christmas time. And I don't really see that one anymore. I guess that's the gold one, because it was in a gold can. But when I smelled that one, it didn't smell as good as that one. As those, I guess, because I had like 2 or 3. But anyways, I used those up, and I did like those. So I got 2 more things that were on discount. Ooh. These are on discount. So I saw the L'Oreal True Match Foundation in Cocoa C8 for $2.74. So I got it. I saw another one, same price, so I got both, okay? Because this is the shade that I use. So that was a win. I was okay with that. Okay, another thing that I got from Ross, I almost forgot, were these scrubbing sponges from Dawn, the brand Dawn. And this is for $2.99, and it's a 3-pack. And they're pink for $2.99. I got some heels. Let's see. How much were these? For $21.99. And I thought these were so stinking cute. I thought I could pass these up because I have so many heels, right? And I really haven't been going out a lot. I need to start back going out a lot. Okay? But I thought I could pass these up, and then I slipped my foot into these guys, and I love them. And yes, I wear a size 11. I have big feet. Gang, gang. The big feet people. Yeah, so these are cute. And the heel is a little more on the chunkier side. I don't mind the skinny ones or the chunky ones. It really doesn't matter to me. I can walk in all heels. Flex. So yeah, so okay, so the one thing I wanted to show you guys is these nails. Honestly, I saw these nails at Ulta, but I ended up going to Walmart, and they actually have these marked down. So these were on sale for $6.50. Aren't those pretty? And I typically do my own press-ons, my own little nails and stuff like that. Like, I don't mind doing stuff like that. I have 4 of those, okay? 2, 3, 4. Okay? And also, these are $5, $4. These are $4. Okay, and these are medium. These were about $6.50 too. These are $6.50. So I always get 2 because in case like one comes off or something like that, which I really don't be having a problem with that, y'all. I'm starting to sound very Texan, aren't I? But anyways, these I actually don't have a problem with mine coming off that much anymore. Like, these last, okay? Like, my press-ons don't press off. They don't. Okay, so I've finally mastered those. I've mastered these things. And I like it. I like doing my own little self-care. You know, changing up my little nails and stuff. Another thing I got from DD's that I want to show you guys. This is a blush that I got for $3.99. And it's really pretty. And I'm wearing it right now. Really cute. Let's see. Okay, it's a blush. It's in the shade Plum. So beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful. Love it. Okay, so I guess that's all. Quick, I want to recommend something. This scrub-free glass cleaner, take a good look at it. When you see this, pick this up from the Dollar Tree. I cleaned my mirror with this and used just a rag to clean it. Streak-free. Streak-free. I highly recommend, okay? 9 out of 10, highly recommend. Get you some, girl. So if you have not already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn the notification on. And like and subscribe, even if you don't comment, okay? Because it helps the video out and it's free, okay? So with that being said, until next time, kittens. Okay, so the missing link to the what is this? The DD's discount video. Another thing I got from DD's were these Dawn, let's see, star cleaning brushes, and these is for $2.99, and it's a 4-pack. Okay, here they all are. It's just to clean your straws, and I have so many straws with all those tumblers or whatnot. So here's to cleaning them. So yeah, nothing fancy. They do have a little hoop on there, the little loop on there, so you can, you know, get in there good. But that's all, kittens.